Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make food last longer at home. Let's dive into practical strategies to keep your groceries fresh and delicious for extended periods. By implementing smart storage habits, you can minimize waste and save money. We'll cover essential tips for various food types, ensuring you get the most out of every ingredient you bring home. For perishable items, refrigeration is key. Ensure your fridge maintains a temperature of 40 degrees F or 4 degrees Celsius to slow bacterial growth. When freezing, use airtight containers or freezer bags to protect against freezer burn, which can affect taste and texture. Always label your frozen goods with the date to help you use them before their quality declines. Your pantry plays a crucial role in preserving dry goods. Store items like grains, pasta, and canned foods in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Airtight containers are essential to keep out moisture and pests, extending the shelf life of staples. For root vegetables, a breathable, cool, and dry spot is ideal to prevent sprouting and spoilage. For even longer preservation, consider methods like canning or pickling, which create shelf-stable foods. Dehydrating fruits, vegetables, and meats removes moisture, significantly extending their usability. These techniques require a bit more effort but offer fantastic results for seasonal gluts. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.